side. But what a hero she is. But now people will begin to see what she had to fight against.
Thank you for the fires. If we have been helping some small capacity, then that's truly, that's a wonderful thing to hear. And please pass on our best regards to.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God! Fuck me! Oh my God.
Yeah. I would too. It'd be like, well, it's like in my fatal crash. Everybody's, God damn it, car. Stupid motherfucker, come from the third lane, clear across in front of me. Slams on the brakes so she can get off. Fucking dumb motherfucker.
Oh God! Jesus Christ! What the fuck was that?
A car.
Ow, my head.
Yeah, mine too.
Oh, fuck. My back.
These days only. You know what I'm trying to say? He only probably wore chains.
That's why from Back in Black you don't hear all that much. Jesus
Fucking Christ.
I still
Where are you going? He wants to go way over there.
the comeback for AC/DC. When they
Stupid piece of
with Highway to Hell, they're gone.
Which is so much worse. Of all the ways to reject some person, saying, you know, yo, we almost got hit.
That's why I was doing that, so the people behind me would know.
God damn it. Fuck.
Fucking hell! What are you doing? What are you doing? You need to look where you're going. Fucking hell! Dickhead.
Oh my.
How far are we talking?
Take the next right onto Wellington Road.
Why are you sitting in the middle of the intersection?